Day 2. If we do it with no doors, I gotta sit in the front. Day 2. We got a lot of stuff planned today. We probably ready to go get something to eat in a little bit. I'm gonna just take it out wrong with me today. And we're going helicopter riding today. Pause if needed. But yeah, we're going helicopter riding today. So I'm gonna also show y'all that. Yeah. It'll be a good night, man. It's gonna be a good day, good night. And yeah, if you've been enjoying the videos, you know what I'm saying? If you've been enjoying the videos, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'm trying to vlog every day of this trip. You know what I'm saying? So, if you're enjoying the content, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. We chilling right now. Outside, as you can see. Ready to get some motherfucking IHOP. Some food. Period, but I'm hungry as shit. I didn't eat nothing yesterday when we flew in for real. Ain't no food. But yeah, man. Probably ain't nothing really going on. Not that I know of. Pretty chill morning. It's only like 10, 11 right now. But yeah, man. You know. Pretty smooth morning, man. We're gonna get some food in a little bit. We got a helicopter riding later. Probably go to the club. We got a party bus later. It's gonna be a good night. I'll make sure I get everything on camera. And yeah, I'll let y'all know when we get there. Well, y'all niggas will see, but I'll let y'all know when we get there. Yeah. No cap. Where IHOP. I'm ready to see what I'm gonna get into. I ain't gonna lie to you, that Philly cheesesteak stacker and fries look amazing now. Alright. Can I get the original pancakes?
Do you want 2, 5?
3. I'll do 3. And then, can I get the Philly cheesesteak stacker with fries? And then, can I get the Oreo milkshake? And that'll be it. Appreciate you. I like your watch. Yeah. Look at that, man. Just look at that greatness, man. Oh, yeah, that's good. Oh, yeah. Look at that, man. That's greatness right there. That's good.
I don't even see him finishing all those pancakes.
Yeah. 11:54. Just put a pull up. 11:54. We're leaving the IHOP right now. Mal is still fucked up, as you can see. Come on, man. But yeah, this is a great city of Panama. Ready to go home. Probably get a nap in. You know what I'm saying? Uber's here. Nice. Ain't that far of a drive. You know what I'm saying? Playing that, you know what I'm saying, that Drakester. I'm gonna lie to you. Go out here real quick. Beautiful view. Just amazing view. You know? It's amazing, man. But yeah, bro. Ain't shit really going on. We got a helicopter ride in like an hour. I told you about that shit earlier. But yeah, we ready to just chill, man. I'm ready to just chill. Probably turn the camera off, lay the foot down. My stomach still kind of hurt from last night getting drunk. Shit, man. I don't know if I'm gonna be drinking that much tonight. Probably will, cause we're going on the party bus. But yeah, I'll see y'all in the next clip, man. If you got this far, make sure you let me get in here. Redo my message again. Fuck. Yeah, bro. If you got this far, man, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? We're on the road to what? 300, I believe. On the road to 300. Yeah, man. I like the video, bro. And this is gonna be like I'm trying to upload these, like, I'm trying to upload each part when I get home, probably like a day and a half away from each other. So if you're watching this video and if you're watching this video, there's a day 1 out right now. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you go watch that. And make sure you're back. Turn the post notifications on because it's gonna be a day 3 coming out, probably like a day and a half after. And yeah, man, that's pretty much it. I left the water running. Wow. Okay. Yeah, man, that's pretty much it. Fit by me today. Chill. You know what I'm saying? Washington Wizards oversized tee. Whip. Till nothing can stop me. Traumatized Soul shorts. If you don't got these, go ahead. Head to the somebody link in the description. It's my clothing brand. Yeah. So if you're looking at this, you know, since we have this time together and shit like that, you know, just go ahead, go buy them. They're cheap. You know, good quality, amazing quality, best quality you probably find in some mesh shorts ever. You know what I'm saying? They're minimalistic, good colorway to go with anything. Yeah, man, that's probably gonna be the end of it. I will see you guys in the next clip.
Ain't crazy about it, ain't gon' play about it. Not a bribe, bro, I'm talking about this paper. You can play if you want to. I let them say what they want, I'm ready for all this shit. No matter how big can get, that boy on the top of the list. I put up a wall and block all of this shit. Stay on my feet, I can't fall a little bit. They killed my man, we was all a little sick. Tryna get to a point where we all can get rich. Go all the way, ain't no stopping this shit. They respect it, of course, but it's still a little tense. Still in the cut, I just darken the tense. It's a trophy on every last one of my wrists. Take care of every last one of my bitches.
Time to talk business.
Flies with 2 persons on IHOP.
Yes.
Flight. That's the plan, right?
Right.
Okay, no problema. So look, I have the helicopter just like that. I have doors to the back, and if you guys want, I can take that doors. We can fly with no doors. And it's much better because the temperature will be perfect. It will be windy, but not that much. But what I want is that you guys enjoy your flight. It's no problema if we keep the doors. If you want to record, will be much better without the doors.
Without the doors,
So
right?
if you go record, you can go in the front seat, like just like that.
Uh-huh.
If you want, also I can put the doors back. So no problem. I just wanted to enjoy the flight.
Okay.
Yeah, seatbelts.
Yeah, we got the
Seatbelts, all right. Just make sure. Okay.
So let's take the doors. Only one restriction when we fly without doors is don't take cell phone outside the window because bye-bye then we fly. Okay?
You said no.
Don't take a cell phone
Okay.
outside.
Okay. Yeah, gotcha.
The wind is really strong.
Right.
And then I just.
And then when another guy comes, we take
Yeah, it's ready to get crazy, man. I'm gonna sit in the front of the helicopter because I'm recording. You know, but yeah, man. Get my doors off that bitch. God damn. Taking the doors off that bitch. Okay, I got you.
Sit down, listen.
Yeah, see that.
You got your headset right there. This is gonna be your headset.
Okay.
Y vamos a desconectar ese otro mic, por favor. Sí, no. This is gonna be yours.
Okay.
Cause I know we're gonna fight, that's the way that I know that the love is gone. It takes so long to get back home. Cause I know we're gonna 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 'Cause I know we're gonna fight, that's the way that I know that the love is gone. It takes so long to get back home. 'Cause I know we're gonna 'Cause I know we're gonna
Craziest thing I ever did, bro. Crazy. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, bro. Y'all ever got the chance to go helicopter riding, bro? Anything like that, bro? Go do that, bro. It was insane. I ain't gonna lie to you. It was soothing too, though. Like, it was mad soothing, bro. Mad soothing, bro. That was insane. Hopefully the footage is good. I couldn't really see because I was not trying to drop my fucking camera. But hopefully the footage is good, man. Hope y'all enjoying the video, bro. Let me know down below if y'all enjoying the video, bro. Y'all gotta let me know, bro. That right there was crazy. What, like, you know what I'm saying? 19 years old in a helicopter ride, bro. Who? Come on, bro. Go ahead and like the video for that, man. But yeah, I'm gonna hit y'all when I'm done. When we done with this, I'm gonna hit y'all see at our next destination or whatever like that.